Welcome to Onsite Utility Services Capital, the world's leading provider of zero-debt, zero-capex energy-saving solutions. In this video, we'll be talking about our voltage optimization savings as a service program and how managing the electricity voltage coming into your building, property, or facility can reduce your costs while extending the life of your electricity-driven equipment. So, how exactly do you benefit from voltage optimization? Well, first, voltage optimization reduces your electricity consumption by managing the voltage that's coming into your building. The minimum voltage level coming into your building or facility is usually around 440 volts, but it could be as high as 515 volts. But typically, the average voltage is 493 volts. The problem with this is that the ideal voltage level is 460 volts. You might be paying for voltage that's much higher than your building needs, resulting in significantly higher electrical costs. Onsite Utility Services can manage your incoming voltage and lower your costs. As a matter of fact, the average savings with voltage optimization ranges between 6 and 12%, and we've even seen savings as high as 21%. Here's an example. Let's assume your site's voltage is monitored at 493 volts, which would be about average. Onsite Utility Services lowers that voltage to the optimum level of 460 volts, representing a reduction of approximately 6.7%. Now let's assume that you use 5 million kilowatts of electricity per year. Under our voltage optimization program, this would result in a reduction of 335,000 kilowatt hours annually. If the average cost per kilowatt hour is 10 cents, this represents a savings of $33,500 annually. Not to mention you'd have saved approximately 335 tons of carbon dioxide, too. Another way that you can benefit from voltage optimization is the reduction of power harmonics while improving power factor ratings. Here's a before and an after chart showing improved harmonics as a result of using Onsite Utility Services voltage optimization. And here we have an example of how Onsite Utility Services voltage optimization contributes to improving the power factor. Where there is high fluctuating voltage and high consumption of electricity, power factor correction equipment should be used along with Onsite Utility Services voltage optimization. Voltage optimization also reduces transients. Transients are unexpected surges, such as a lightning strike that hits your building, causing a brief yet powerful energy surge. A building that doesn't have voltage optimization protection can suffer damage to cabling insulation, the overheating of electrical equipment, and can even cause an electric shock, sparking a fire. Voltage optimization also extends the life of electrical equipment. All of the electrical equipment in your building or facility is designed to handle a wide range of voltage input. But if the actual voltage supply is higher than the necessary amount needed for that equipment to operate, the equipment will try to consume it, which requires the equipment to work harder to handle all that extra voltage, causing overheating. Over time, this takes a heavy toll on your equipment and eventually leads it to failing sooner than expected. Voltage optimization from Onsite Utility Services solves this problem by making sure all of your electrical devices and equipment receive the exact amount of voltage they require to work at optimum efficiency. Your equipment lasts longer, lowering replacement and maintenance costs. Additional benefits of voltage optimization that go beyond kilowatt-hour reductions include getting protection from brownouts, the integration of power factor equipment, reducing total harmonic distortion, complementing variable frequency drive filters, reducing or even eliminating those nuisance power tripping effects, protection of lights, inverters, and power factor capacitors from failure, the reduction of high temperatures in cables due to resistance losses, the improvement of voltage phase imbalance, and the reduction of maintenance costs. No matter what size or type of building or property you may have, chances are Onsite Utility Services has a voltage optimization solution for you. We've helped apartments and condominiums, hospitals and managed care facilities, schools, colleges and universities, hotels and hospitality properties, manufacturing facilities, and commercial buildings all achieve successful voltage optimization solutions. The steps to seeing electrical savings for your building or facility are simple. First, complete the voltage optimization assessment form and include the last 12 months of electric invoices. Then, Onsite Utility Services will put together a preliminary savings proposal, showing you how much you can expect to save on your electric costs through our voltage optimization program. Onsite Utility Services then handles all the installation and maintenance. And the savings are 100% guaranteed. Get started today with a free, no-obligation consultation by speaking with an Onsite Utility Services voltage expert. Call 844-768-7227 today, and let's get you started on the way to lowering your electric costs.